Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best resorts using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to punch in my location. So we're going to Orlando, Florida today. Choosing Orlando as it has a pretty big tourist industry with all the amusement parks and such. So increase this range to 25 and add it. Next, lock that in, and we are looking for resorts. I'm sure so many come up. Well, this is awkward. There we go. Yeah, as you can see, hit next to lock that in. We're looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. We are only targeting one owner per company, but in case they have a C-suite title, it'll account for that. Filters. Um, Today we are coming from this perspective as we are, a travel agency or event planning company or a marketing or advertisement agency. So those are the filters that we're going to be targeting. So the first one I want to use is a Google review, which is kind of like the golden quality one. We set it between a 3 and a 5. In that case, like the companies you're working for are well respected by their clients and customers, and the benefit to you is that they're just going to be easier to work with. So between a 3 and a 5, locking that in. Um, Another filter I'm going to use is I want to see if the resorts have ad pixels. Oh, whoops. I picked the wrong filter. I want to see if the resorts have ad pixels. So I'm going to select advertises on Facebook or advertises on Google or advertises on LinkedIn. This is just like again like another business quality filter that we're specifically like for resorts. I feel like this is a business quality filter as it shows that they bring in lots of people. They're advertising on platforms. And the benefit if you are a digital marketer, like they're gonna be more willing to work with you. We're gonna go into the deliver section. I'm going to select phone number, Google review count, score, GMB profile, GMB claimed. These are going to be very insightful, but unfortunately, like I feel like you're not going to reduce your list based on any of these metrics, as resorts are pretty huge companies. So um, they already have a lot of this stuff established. We're not going to go direct dial as it doubles our lead credits or credits per lead. Contacts required. And we are already getting direct email, so there's not really too much of a point. We're gonna go company Instagram, company Facebook, LinkedIn profile, TikTok profile, Twitter profile. This will give you this will gauge how active they are on social media, where they can improve. For instance, let's say they put a lot of work into Facebook and Instagram, but their TikTok is lacking. Revenue, headcount, data established are going to be huge for these resorts. It's going to help you narrow your list of 100 good leads down to 20 great leads. Ad pixels, again, we filter them above, but it'll be useful to see which ones they have. Google Analytics is really important if you're a marketer. E-commerce, I'm sure these websites use e-commerce, so if you use the same platform, and if you're selling the marketing services, there could be like a synergy there, which you can include in a sales package. I doubt these companies use WordPress, but throw it in there anyways. Page speed, maybe you could get their page speed down a little bit quicker, but again, resorts tend to be huge corporations, and they already have like whole SEO teams inside of them. Search term, search location, and search position, again, important marketing metrics. So next, lock that in, finish that up. Make sure to give it a title, set the context required. I always save a draft just in case I want to stop it to change something. I'm not starting from scratch, but with that being said, we're going to launch it. I just forget. I forgot to hit next back there. So as you can see, we're back in our task overview now. Resorts in Orlando is allocating, which means it's with our team, and you should get it within 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best resort leads using Coldlytics. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys so much, and that's how you find the best resort leads using Coldlytics. I'll see you in the next one.